A Clean House by Janet Marriott. Characters: human, dog, cat, mice, aunt, and this is our play. It's so cold. Dog, cat, you can stay inside, stay if you're clean and tidy.
Cat, why is he so cold?
He doesn't have fur, that's why he's put on his fluffy jersey.
Poor human, but he doesn't look after that jersey. He never bites it or shakes it.
Or licks it, or strokes it, or fluffs it up, or pokes it.
He needs us to look after him. Poor human.
We even have to sleep with him to keep him warm at night.
What? Now he's getting rid of all the fur. Not on the carpet and chairs. Why is he doing that, Cat?
He thinks he's cleaning up.
Why doesn't he clean the place up just when we've got it nice and cozy?
Aunt is coming to visit. Remember her? She took all the hair and fur off the carpet last time.
I remember. I was cold for a week.
Off that chair, cat. Off that couch, dog.
Maybe Cat Aunt is a very, very hot person.
I can't hear you. Help! My fur's nearly getting blown off. Look out. May Veterans about. He can suck you up and spit you out. No food on the floor. No stain on the stairs. No splat on the mat. No hair on the chair. Shut up, you mice! Or I'll come and get you when I've fixed up my fur.
Everything's nice and clean now. I'm going to make Aunt. Be good.
But human hasn't cleaned us. I can't give myself a bath.
You don't need a bath to keep clean yourself with your tongue and teeth over under between beneath.
Yes, let's clean ourselves for Aunt. Over, under, between, beside, beneath, with tongue, spit and teeth.
He's singing.
Oh, sing and sing and I'll flick and flick my tail.
I'll lick and scrub with my jaws. I'll pick and rub with my paws. No fleas on the cat. Lots of fur on the mat. No dirt in the air. Lots of hair on the chair.
But be quiet, mice. I can't hear myself. How?
Welcome to my house, Aunt. I've made it spick and span, ready for your visit.
out of 10, guys.